Hey folks, here's a quick little lesson for baritone ukulele on House of the Rising Sun. So we're going to have a simple picking pattern that's going to stay the same through all the chords, and there's only a couple different ways they do the chords. So the first thing we're going to do is get this A minor chord going. So this is going to be your first finger is getting the 3 bottom strings all on the 5th fret, and you're reaching your ring finger up here over the top to get the 7th fret on the biggest string. So that's an A minor chord. The other chords we're going to use, we're going to go up to here to our first finger on the 8th fret. We're going to make this major shape, which you probably know from an F down here. Now that's going to be the 8th fret with our first finger, 8 and 8, and then 9 and then 10. That's a C chord. Then we're going to take that up 2 frets. We have a D chord. Then we're going to go back down to F, which is 3, 2, 1, 1. And then we're going to have A minor again, down to E major, 2, 1, open, open, and back. So that's our main chords. Now our picking pattern is going to be, so that's just twice with the thumb. You got a finger, each finger here has its own string. So we're going to do the thumb twice. And then we just go up the strings and down. So then we're to the next chord, that 8th fret C, 10th fret up here. Then up 2 to the D. Then down to the F. Then A minor. C. And then E major twice. Then we're going to come back to the A minor. C. D. F. Now this time, A minor, E, back to A minor. And then you're going to begin that first part again. C, E twice, A minor, C, D, F, and then A minor to E, back to A minor. Okay, so one more time, nice and slow. 3 and 4 and C, D, F, A minor, C, and then E twice. A minor, C, D, F, A minor, E, A minor. Alright, hope you dug that. House of the Rising Sun, I'm Damon Wood. Please like and subscribe and let me know if there's any other songs you'd like me to show you how to play on the baritone ukulele. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.